Deep beneath these farmlands, decades of soil regeneration, microbial activity, and nutrient cycling have
As agronomists take soil core samples to analyze nitrogen and phosphorus levels, they ensure the growing environment remains sustainable and regenerative.
Automated harvesters meticulously track protein maturity and moisture content, beginning the transformation journey toward animal-based meat alternatives.
Heavy-duty milling machines grind peas and soybeans into fine protein-rich flour, which is then separated into...
Next, the protein isolates are loaded into sterile transport trucks equipped with sealed pneumatic systems to prevent contamination. As the trucks traverse highways and industrial corridors, onboard sensors track vibration levels, humidity,
The thermal profile is holding steady at 95 degrees.
Torque measurements look good. The mixture is primed.
The softened mixture enters the twin-screw extruder, a colossal machine where mechanical pressure and shear force... In the flavor infusion chamber, the freshly formed fibers are gently tumbled with natural plant-based oils.
Next, the seasoned fibers move into a mechanical former where precision molds compress and shape them into patties, nuggets, sausages, or steak-like fillets.
Temperature and pressure are holding steady. Dew point is optimal. We are maintaining firmness. Acknowledged. The batch is cooling uniformly.
We need to adjust the thermal flow here to prevent overcooking.
Confirmed. The texture analysis shows improved binding firmness.
If we look at the Bondacle curve here, the resistance is higher than expected.
Agreed. We should reduce the pressure on the extruder for the next cycle to ensure tenderness.
The now stabilized products are transferred to the marination drench line, where automated showers apply controlled layers of seasoned emulsions.
Literature. Moving forward, the products enter the cooling spiral, a towering, multi-level refrigerated helix.
Tensile results are stable at 98%.
And the impact data confirms structural integrity post-transport. Batch 4 gamma looks good.
We need to accelerate the flow for the Fukuoka shipment. Adjust the loading times immediately.
Rerouting trucks now. Confirmed.
The data confirms significant reductions across the board.
And this is reflected accurately in the QR data on the packaging.
The structural analysis confirms the pea protein denatures significantly under heat shear.
But the fava blend shows promise. The viscosity curve confirms it. These settings significantly improve juiciness.
And the fiber density is optimal on this sample.
Agreed. Let's proceed with these parameters.
Resistance is stabilizing now.
But the moisture release is still off the benchmark.
We should modify the extrusion speed for the next run.
The humidity fluctuation data is stabilizing. The packaging seems intact.
I agree. This seal strength test confirms the durability of the barrier film.
The browning reaction and fat melt behavior look promising on this batch.
Tenderness, Rabia.
The tenderness probe data confirms optimal.
Look here at the wear on screw 2. Are we within tolerance?
Barely. I'll adjust the heating profile based on the matrix. That should ensure consistent fiber alignment.
We're seeing stable pressure now. Torque load is normalizing.
Density output confirmed. The diagnostic checks are complete. Equipment validated.
The shaped products enter a thermal setting tunnel, where gentle heat stabilizes the fiber networks.
The shaped products enter a thermal setting tunnel where gentle heat stabilizes the fiber networks, allowing the plant-based meat to retain their structure. In a refrigerated marination chamber, rotating drums coat the pieces with liquid seasonings, pepper blends, herb and...
Adjusting the load distribution now to minimize energy consumption.
Production speed is maintained at peak sustainability.
Temperature is holding steady at 38. Manifest checks out.
All systems clear. Confirming load secure.
Calibrates and nuts. The Corporate Compliance Office reviews global regulatory updates, from allergen declarations to protein content labeling laws.
We verify that every step, from crop to final product, is digitally traceable. This transparency helps make...
Temperature is holding steady at 38. Manifest checks out.
All systems clear. Confirming load secure.
Everything looks stable so far.
Wait, temperature deviation detected on truck 7. It's rising.
Reroute ventilation immediately and alert the driver.
All right, next pallet coming in. Easy now. Make sure it locks in tight. We can't lose the cold chain.
Grittiers to yellow. The batch tracking numbers and lab results align with the manifest.
Seal integrity is intact and the temperature retention is compliant.
Our vehicles are mapped to routes optimized by AI logistics software, calculating fuel efficiency and refrigeration.
Marketing teams collect consumer feedback, analyzing purchase patterns and satisfaction scores, feeding this data back to the factory's R&D division.
Our advancements in plant-based production are transforming the global food system, strengthening supply chains, and driving sustainable